Hello guys, welcome back to my channel which is Explore the Adobe. This is Zunara Hanif and in this tutorial I am going to show you that within only 3 steps how you can create a realistic pencil sketch in Photoshop. So here you can see, and of course you can download the model image by the link which I have provided in description. So here you can see I have one this sample, and let me show you another. So here you can see I have also created this sketch. So we are going to basically create this effect. So let's start it. So here you can see I have this one image. So before starting so first take the copy of your layer by Control or Command J. Now make sure your image it should be black and white, and it should be with plain background, or you can simply cut out your background if it is not plain. So here you can see it is almost plain background, there are no more details. So we can use this image in order to make it black and white. So you can go to image adjustments and just simply click on black and white. So it is automatically, it has created a black and white effect here. Here you can see. Now you need to take the copy of your layer. So first step here is that go to your filters and go for filter gallery. So from here you can see under the sketch folder, here you can see here is a filter which is photocopy. So simply we are going to use this one. Click OK. So basically now it has made your black to whites and the white to blacks. To make it clear, we are pressing Control I from our Command I from our keyboard. So here it is looking not much better, but it is giving you a sketch look. So again, now take the copy of your black and white layer, bring it at the top. Now go to your filters, go for stylize, and here you have to click on find edges. So now it has basically find the edges, but it is looking not good. So we are decreasing the opacity to 40%. You can adjust the opacity according to your need. You can keep 50, 35, you can check them simply. Now again, take the copy of your black and white layer, bring it at the top. Again go for filters. Now actually we are going to give a pencil sketch look to this image. We are going for filter gallery. Here under sketch you can go for graphic pen like this. You just need to click OK. Now basically we have turned white to black and black to white. So I hope that you are understanding that these are here. Now we are actually want to convert this to black. Simply you can press Control Command I from your keyboard. So now it is looking like this. Now you have to change your blend mode to soft like. Now if you are zooming in, and you can see here simply it is giving, it was giving a blurry look, but now if you turn on this, now here you can see it is giving you a pencil look. So these were our 3 steps. So if you want simply you can also follow the last step which I am going to made. So basically if you want to colorize the give pencil sketch effect to your hairs, you can simply go for this step. Again, take the copy of your black and white layer, bring it at the top, go for filters and filter gallery. Under the sketch folder, again you have to choose this graphic pen. You can set the stroke length, you can set the line balances. From here I am reducing it. Just click OK. Again we have to invert it by Control or Command I. If you you can also go for image and from here under adjustment you can choose this option which is invert. So it basically inverts black to white and white to blacks. So now here what you need to do, you just need to add a layer mask. So when you are adding layer mask, hold your alt or opt option from your keyboard. So now just choose your brush tool, make sure here your foreground color is white, and just start using it over here like this. You can use it simply. You can reduce the opacity of your brush if you want to use it on face or on lips to make it more realistic. So now it is looking like this. Just we need to check the blend options. Here I think we should reduce the opacity. Let's check to 50%. So now it is you can see it is looking much better now. So if you are zooming in, here you can see now it is looking a vertical line effect to you. So if you turn off this, it is looking like this. Now if you are turn on this, now it is looking much better. So here is the final sketch. Let me first merge all the layers. So here you can see it is before and here is after, which is looking much realistic. So if you want here, if you want to give the stroke, you can simply use your brush tool. You can simply color overlay your fine edges to make it more black, or you can simply even use pen tool to create this. So but now I am thinking that it is looking much better. So you can play according to your image. So I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If yes, please don't forget to like, subscribe and give your reviews in comment section. Thank you.